So should we do the intro? Maybe. Welcome back to my channel. My name is RankerKanel and my English. So today I'm gonna play. Today I'm gonna play Deadbolt with Jackie Gunter. Yay!
Yay!
Oh no, you're not Jackie Gunter.
Yay!
You are Jackie Gunter in a stupid version.
What?
Just kidding. So today I'm gonna play with Tom MPT, a gay friend of mine. I mean a friend of mine, and sorry, it's a gay friend of mine. And today we're gonna play Deadbolt. And I keep saying "and." Why? I don't know. Tell me what? I'm sorry for not uploading for like how much years? 8. That's kind of random. For a year. So so today I'm gonna come back. Okay,
Maybe.
so let's play new game. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tom MPT play a lot of this game and I haven't played it a lot. So it would not be a surprise that I will be suck at it, and I don't think that even makes sense. Black screen for day. Black screen. Black strip. Love.
What?
Black strip. A place for
Black people.
black people too. Okay, it's finally done loading stupid game. Let's go up.
You go
Okay.
first.
Okay. Pick up night. Stop in the car. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Wait. Let me turn off the lights. I was going to do it. You so stupid. Oh, stupid. Just become suck doesn't mean I'm stupid.
Yeah, you do.
Suck. Knock. You can knock when you have a gun.
Ooh. They don't have door.
Oh. Knock.
Hello, anybody there?
Nobody there. Oh no, this is going to be this is going to be Tom MPT rampage. No.
Yeah.
5 star. Really?
Yeah.
Really? Hey. Attack him. Die.
You can do it. Talk to him.
Hi. Hello, fire. Cause I'm weird. Why do I talk to a fire?
I don't know.
Yeah,
You will.
let's do it.
Let's do this.
That's gonna look like he is high. He just use some rug. Okay, that's okay. Shh. I don't know. I'm here. I don't know. I'm going to snipe him so hard.
Okay.
I'm just snipe. Shh. I don't know. Oh yeah. So silent. Yeah. My voice sounds so creepy.
Take the gun.
Shh. Wait. Okay, let's do it. I miss him. That's stupid.
You so cool.
What? What is cool mean?
I don't know.
I don't know what cool mean. I not in English, so I don't know what cool mean.
Okay.
Oh, you mean cool?
Okay.
You mean I so cool? I know that.
No.
That's why I'm so cool that you can handle my coolness in the
What
even
the-
world. Kill them all! Kill that sucker!
Come up here.
Come back home. You want to win again?
Yep.
Why? Why are you so good at this game?
Why?
And why am I so bad at it?
Because you suck.
I'm not suck. I mean, I kinda suck. Just a little. Not too much.
A little, huh? Two suck. 4 star.
4 star. You suck. You only get 4 star. What?
Okay.
I get 0 out of 0, so I'm the best.
Okay.
Oh,
Talk to him.
I forgot to talk to him. Okay, sorry.
How can I?
Yay! I'm being stupid. Yay!
Yay.
Hello, Mr. Flame. How are you?
Really?
Ooh, I got a powder.
Okay. Powder.
Powder.
Power.
I got a new power. It's called Suck My
Thing.
Biscuit.
What?
I'm trying to keep the busy. The busy. The busy.
PG.
BG, yeah, BG. Whatever.
Suck.
It's all the same thing.
You suck.
Wait, what? Okay. I wanna snap them all.
Okay.
Ooh, a hammer.
Ooh.
I'm gonna total this toilet. I'm gonna make it explode.
Really?
Why not?
That.
That's weird.
Yep. Knock now.
Oh, I wanna snipe him so hard. I mean, I wanna hammer you so hard. Die. Oh, so good. So good at hammer people. Okay. Shh, you need to know. Shh, shut up. Shut up, you.
I didn't say anything.
If you guys hear,
Yeah, you die.
if you guys hearing echo sound, then it's from the. Why can't I throw the freaking hammer?
Because you suck.
I thought you can throw the hammer.
Maybe. I don't know.
I would just want to be cool. Why can't you let me be cool?
What?
You suck.
What?
I'm too awesome. I'm too awesome.
Yeah, right.
I'm too awesome. I'm too awesome. I'm too awesome.
Really?
I mean, not really, but kinda.
And now you will die.
No, I will not die. I will stay alive. I'm thinking. Oh no, I didn't mean to drop the freaking shotgun.
You
Shotgun.
so suck. Hello.
Nice to meet you. No, that's supposed to be
Hammer to meet you.
no ham to meet you.
What? What did ham to meet you?
I love ham. Okay,
Okay.
just get me out here. It's be all okay. Yeah, my voice sounds so creepy. It's so cool. No, you are not. I'm such a kudo.
No.
Yes, I am a kudo. Wait, what? A kudo. Kudu. What is kudu?
I don't know. Okay, I will do.
You got a red freaking red. Get dragged. Get scracked. Scracked.
Anybody there? Come and meet me.
Come and die. Come and die.
What?
Just shoot the crap out of that. Shoot the crap out of that. He's such an idiot. Hey.
I win again.
Oh, explode! Yay!
I win again.
Let's
Yay.
go A3 new for RankerKanel. This is winning. TomMPT is down.
What?
RankerKanel got 3 wins and Tom MPT had none.
No. I got 4 stars. Yeah.
No, it's me. Shut up, don't lie. I was the one who played. That wasn't you.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Ooh.
Buy weapon.
Ooh.
Go buy weapon.
Can I kill him?
No.
Oh, that's sucks. Ooh. Knife. Knife.
You like knife?
Oh. Why I choose a knife? I just say that for fun. I wasn't mean to buy a knife.
You can say from gun.
Oh, a flashback.
You can say a gun, not a knife.
I will. Okay.
Bend the bush. Blend the bush.
It just becomes stupid. Okay.
Buy blend the bush.
Blend the bus.
Blend the bush.
Hello, darling.
What?
I don't know what is the gender of the fire. New gun. Yes. I think I'm supposed to buy a new gun, but I forgot to.
Yep.
But I choose the wrong thing, so I think I'm just be stupid with it. Don't judge me.
I will check.
Why?
Because I like to.
A knife. Oh, yay. Yeah.
I don't like knife. I like hammer.
Whatever. It's okay. Ready to get explode. Yay!
Evil. And now you will die.
No, I will not die. I will be A-OK.
A-OK. Really?
I like A-OK, okay?
Whoop. And now you will die.
Nope. I will survive. Holy crap. Okay, I will not survive if that big dude came out here.
Big dude. Woo! Secret day.
Is that
Shoot him.
Is that what I'm thinking it is? I don't know what I'm talking about.
And now you will die.
Oh.
You will die.
Oh.
You will die.
I don't want.
Die,
I don't want. I don't want you. You ugly. Oh! MLG.
What? And now you will die.
I will not die. I will not die. I will survive.
Burn the ass.
Wait. Oh, I forgot.
Burn the ass.
Burn the ass. Burn druck. Druck.
Kill him. Get rid of him. Then now you will die.
I will not die. I will survive.
Open the door. Knock. Boom.
Wait, what? No, there's a thing. Oh, I'm so good.
Take the gun.
I'm so good.
No, you're not.
Wait, they didn't see. They must be blind. Hey. Ah. They're going to die. You're going to die. Oh. Holy crap! Why there's a big dude? No.
Pistol. And now you are up armor.
I'm almost died. Oh my god.
You win.
Yes. My first win and my best win ever. Nobody can beat me. Somebody can. I mean, like everybody can. But shut up.
Yeah. Go to the taxi.
What? This is not a taxi. This is a car that.
Taxi.
No, it's a
taxi.
It's a limo.
Taxi.
It's a limo.
Taxi.
It's a limo that contain coffin.
Okay.
Why only 3 star? Wait, what? Who are you? Oh, okay. This is the cassette. You open the tactic. Please don't be. I wake up, go attack. Dark scan. Splendor. I'm sorry if you guys can see a lot, cause my resolution of this video really weird, so don't judge me. I'm normal. Let's talk to the fire and then we will done. We will done.
Buy a new gun.
Oh, I forgot to buy a new gun. Okay, let's go and buy some new gun. And forgot this stupid crap. Be knife.
Okay.
Just be knife, okay?
Semi.
Revenant. Ooh. What? Ooh!
Suppresses shotgun.
Oh, that's really hard to say, but it's cool.
Flashbang.
There's a no like machine gun. Certainly. Semi-out tactical. Ooh! SMG! Oh,
Go this way.
Oh, why?
Be faster.
I have to go the other way. Don't you hear the story about the girl with red scarf story?
No.
She go the short way, so she get killed. I mean she meet the.
This is the new gun.
Oh my gosh! Just forget it.
I had that gun too.
Yes.
We just built gun.
Can
One primary, one secondary.
I want to.
You.
Oh, it's nice.
But it shot 3 bullets to kill one person.
That's okay. At least it's better than your face.
Huh?
So
Knock.
I'm just trying to be mean. Damn you!
I know.
Why so hard to kill him?
And you will die.
Why? Why that gun is so hard to kill a freaking... What? You press out the game, you ED top. Cool. Oh, nice shot, bruh.
I'm not real, bruh.
Stop the crap out of him. Headshot. Yeah,
And now I die.
You the knife. You the knife. Knife to. You suck. You use the chain weapon.
I can.
Just go for it. You will be okay. Rip. Just punch him in the face. You suck. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Okay, first you have to use a free.
Wait,
You can do it too. I have some technical problem. Okay,
Okay.
you can just a
Bruh?
bra. Sure, you can just bra. A shotgun. 1, 2, 3, go. Bang! Another. He shot his friend. He's stupid. You the shotgun. Look at his friend. He's just like. Just shot him. And pick up a shotgun. Pick up a shotgun. Just shot another one. Go downstairs. Do not swear in my video, okay? Okay.
And now you will die.
This tactical SMG suck.
Okay.
At least it's better than your mom.
What?
Okay, sorry.
What are you talking about my mom?
It's the dumb joke about your mom. Get freaking wrecked.
Die.
So skillful. So skillfully. Shut up. Screw you. Shh. No. Why you blow that? I'm stupid. I'm I just being stupid. That wasn't my fault. This was your fault.
No.
It was your fault. This will never be my fault. That sounds like a douchebag. And what? You can kill him.
What the?
You didn't fast enough, okay? Really?
Yep.
You have to do that whenever I say shh. Okay. My fan ear maybe probably gonna get the fix. Oh, why am I going downstairs?
I don't know, because you suck.
Okay, it's might be because I suck. Not always I suck.
Now you will suck.
Biscuit. Biscuit very good.
Okay, I know.
Oh,
Tommy gun.
Tommy. Hello, Tommy. Oh, Tommy. It's your brother, Tommy. You just use your brother to kill. Oh no, that's a different gun. Okay, rip, Tom MPT. Rip Tom MPT. Rip, you the Tommy gun. No, you change the weapon. Oh, you can change. Hello. You want to YOLO? Oh, nice, bruh.
I'm not your brah. I'm your bro.
Okay. Nobody suspect a thing. I will do this. Holy crap! I better so.
You suck.
I'm not suck.
You suck.
Yeah. Let's beat this body up. Nobody suspect a thing. Nobody suspect a thing. Really? You have to check. Deadbolt. Okay. We're going to pick up the Thompson.
Tommy.
Tommy. Because Thompson was the word we used for gun in World War II. Man, that's what a hard time.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm trying to do British accent. Okay. Ready? Are you ready to gamble? One. Really? Oh, they missed. Almost. Okay. Goodbye, the boss. The revolver. Just. You cannot kill him. Okay. Walk behind. Shh. Nobody suspect a thing. You and me, are you okay? Shh.
Show intensity.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, so what? Check rower. What is the rower? What are you checking?
Oh, check.
Oh.
Stuff. Monster, paper.
Paper. Then what? I pull a picture of naked vampire.
Yeah! A zombie love a vampire!
Yay!
Can't believe it!
You're just wasting the gun! Wasting the ammo, I mean!
Buff! That 12! 11!
Really? It said 11, not tell you.
I know.
Okay, I think we could stop right now.
Hell horn! Let's play to this hell horn! Yeah! Let's play hell horn!
No! That wait to the next episode and you won't be there.
Okay.
I will record by myself. Okay.
Because you are a loser.
No, I'm not. I'm okay. I may be a loser, but at least I have a nice face.
No.
Sure. So I think I'm gonna leave the episode here. So if you guys like this game and want me, want me, not us, cause he's not going to be here in the next episode, to continue and stop pressing the freaking microphone. Then comment and like, and I don't think nobody will come, and I think nobody will be, and I think nobody will comment in the comment sections. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more video with awesome quality and nice audio, and
Stop.
rate face
Stop.
like me. Then press the subscribe button and don't forget to share for your friends. Shut up. No, we are burning now. Burn in hell, you loser. Bye. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is RankerKanel and today I'm gonna play Deadbolt 2. And sorry for having the video for a really long time. Again. We watched it already. Why?